Today is your lucky day, my friend. If you're watching this on August 12th, today is really your lucky day. If you thought the 8-8 portal was something that will bring you luck, yes, but this one it's even better because Mercury is out of retrograde. We are still on the last week of Leo season. There's no full moon building. The full moon has passed. And today we have a beautiful conjunction between Jupiter, the planet of abundance and good luck and expansion, and Venus, the planet of love, prosperity, abundance as well. They meet in the sky only once every 12 years. So this is a rare, abundant connection, abundant cycle that is happening today, but throughout all this week. So this is really something very special. It's like a new moon on steroids because it can be new moon, but with like Jupiter and Venus meeting together hand in hand on the sky. It's really good time for love, beauty, connection, prosperity. So this is a beautiful day, and I'm here also to go through a ritual with you to help you embody this energy. Because if you don't know me, my name is Luana Bossetti, and I'm an astrologer, astrocartographer, and intuitive guide, really here to help you bring astrology down to earth and into your life, into your body, by using it as a compass to connect to yourself and then feel empowered to take the steps necessary you need to create the life that you desire. So stick with me for the ritual, but let me explain more about this day and this week. So this Venus-Jupiter conjunction, it's so powerful because these two planets are benefic planets, are really good here to empower us, but also it's happening in Cancer, the sign to home, nurturing, the mother, care, and it's a reminder that abundance begins within us. If we're really like, if we can appreciate and be grateful for what we already have in our life, that's how we can really uplift our vibration to meet the vibration of the universe and then call in the abundance that we desire. But it starts within us and from a feeling that we are already abundant. So let's start here and let's start to connect a little bit to this feeling. So I want to put you to put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and let's take a couple of deep breaths together into your nose and out through your mouth. So let's go. Inhale and exhale. And do two more on your own time. And now tune into the energy of gratitude. What are you already grateful for? What in your life is going well that you're happy about? Might be the little things that just having food on your plate, a roof under your head, having the sun shining on you, like giving you warmth. Really connect to whatever you are grateful for. Bring to mind 3 to 5, even 10 things if you can get up to that. That will be awesome. All right, and then let's tap into your heart to activate this beautiful part of yourself. We are still in Leo season. Leo rules the heart. And that's where we feel the appreciation, the gratitude. So let's tap into your heart space right now to activate that energy. And repeat out loud. You can do that if you want with each thing that you're grateful for. That will be super potent. And you can stop this video and do that. Otherwise, let's repeat these 3 affirmations together. I'm grateful for all the beautiful things that I have in my life. I appreciate each person, place, thing, emotion that I have right here in my life. I'm abundant and I'm grateful. Tune into this energy, open your arms to receive to the abundance. And if it feels good for you, you can repeat this like, I'm grateful, I appreciate, and I'm abundant for each thing that you're abundant and grateful for. You can write down in a list, you do you, but really tune into the feeling of abundance and appreciation. Once you've done that, I want you to put a song on, one that uplifts you, and dance. I want you to dance to that song and think about all the things that we just like connected with, all the things that you are grateful and appreciative for. So I want you to get up and dance and do that. And once you've done that, come back here for the rest of the ritual. So this day, it's so beautiful to plant seed of intention. It's a new moon on steroids. So new moons are good for planting seeds. You can do it metaphorically, write it down, or you can literally plant in seed if you have a green thumb and it's something that you love. For what you need to plant seed of intention for what you wish to grow in terms of family, love, creativity, prosperity. Be very intentional, be generous, bring this energy of great gratitude. And also, I want you to be creative. I want you to unleash your inner child right here and right now. Think about what you would do as a creative, as a child. Maybe you use stickers, maybe you have colors, maybe you want to put on some good music, maybe you want to paint, draw. You can write your intention. Nothing is off limits. You need to think big, dream bigger, and really use your creativity. I do it with stickers and coloring, but you can do whatever you want. Be very specific though. Tell the universe what you want specifically and focus on one thing for the purpose of this ritual, because so you can put all your energy in that. So channel your inner child. Take a piece of paper, a canvas, whatever works for you, and put all your desire in that page. Use words, write it down, color, paint, do you, do you. This is the moment to really nurture what's good, bring the energy of gratitude, and really expand into this beautiful portal that we had with the 8-8 and with this Venus and Jupiter conjunction. I want you to think bigger. And then once you've done the little like writing intention, planting seeds, whatever you did, I want you to come back to that song, or maybe put another song that really ignites your inner child, that really make you feel abundant, make you feel uplifted, and then dance again. But this time, imagining like these desires that you want to come true already manifested into your life. So dance like this is already your life. Why dance? Because this is really helps you to bring these feelings very high highlighted into your body, so you can raise up to your vibration to match the vibration of the universe. And that's when you manifest with the words, using your words, but also the feelings. That's an important part. And then, if you love that, let me know. Comment if you're watching this on YouTube. And yes, comment on YouTube. And if you love this ritual, you want more ritual to tune you to tune in with the current energies. Meet me this weekend on August 16th and 17th. If you're not available, you already have plans. There will be a replay because I'm hosting a free masterclass to help you really use astrology as your compass, to bring astrology from the sky down to earth into your body to help you create the life that you desire. So comment compass and I will send you the link, and stay tuned for the new podcast episode coming tomorrow. Peace and love. Ciao.